especially marine environment. Our colleague also has mass column fishing, one of the most important issue in our marine mission for our director of the research and development institute and resources for
มีความทำในดีแบบที่ชื่อเลย
working for the service.
I think you know that we have our first phase already established, and we've been working with Kung Swan over the last 2 years. The idea and the objective of this meeting bring circularity and the processing of that waste. So it's a very important part of our trajectory that we have. In 2021, by the end of 2021, we had only got our first cleanup cruise. Last year in 2023, we recovered over 700. So that was a very quick overview of 17Cs. Once again, I want to thank you.
Go out to very critical point and area. The figure, the number that you show is only plastic waste or include organic waste.
We have another project because so we are now